This video I'm going to look at the slide size and templates. So when you go to create a new Keynote, I'm just going to click on my plus here. You'll see there's lots of different themes or templates that you can pick. So depending on what you're doing, you may go with a template. So if I scroll down, there's lots of different colors, photos, styles of templates, and you are free to choose any of them that you want. What I actually like doing is starting from scratch with a basic black or white template. I actually use black more than I would use white, but I would start with a basic. Two options that you have there is you have widescreen and regular. I always start with widescreen. Just from a school projector point of view, it looks better. Also from a presentation point of view online, it also looks better. Also gives you a lot more space to work with. So I do go with wide. Even if you're using any of the drawing features, it gives you more space to draw in. So I would go with these wide. I'm going to just click on basic white, and it should open up a plain blank white template. The first thing that I would do was delete the text. Now you can additionally just click down here on the plus and you'll see lots of different options. I can work with a photo template, which you will see if you're working with templates, you'll have this little plus. And when you click on that little plus, it just shows you that there's a placeholder there and you can replace that image. So I can replace this image with anything that I want. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just tap up here and I'm going to delete. Duplicate is also a really useful feature if you have a style that you want to copy from slide to slide. So in here, I am going to, I would normally delete this out unless I'm doing a presentation, in which case I could just replace the text. So I can just tap and replace. One thing that is a bit of a hidden option, but is really useful, is the fact that you can customize the slide size. So if you're printing them out or if you're using them for a specific purpose, you can customize them. If I click on the ellipsis here with the circle and the three dots, and if I click on document setup, you'll see I can change the slide size in here. It has some options such as square. If I'm using a traditional square clips video, that might be useful. I have portrait, I have custom. So if I want to go in here and I want to customize my size, maybe I'm doing a phone prototype. So I could put in, I'm just going to put 170 and I'm going to put in 2532. And I'm going to put this in here and you'll see this now looks like a better size template, text aside, for if I was prototyping a phone app. So let's just cut those out. I could go in and this looks more like the screen of my phone size. So there's a few different options in there. I think the one thing that you may not have been aware of is that option to customize the size of your document, and that is really valuable. Even if you're doing like an A4 and you're more comfortable working in Keynote than Pages, you can do that as well. So that is document setup.